All right, so this one says Sharon is conducting research on two species of birds at a bird sanctuary. The number of birds species A is represented by the equation below, where S represents the number of birds X years after beginning her research. The number of birds species B is represented by the equation below, where S represents the number of birds X years after beginning her research. So there's two equations. It says using graphing technology, complete the statements. It says after so many years, the number of birds of species A and B will be the same. The number of birds for each species during that year will be some number. So basically, we're just going to graph both of these and find out where they intersect. So let's do that. So I go into, gotta change my graphs. Man, that yellow one, you just can't see it. So I'm going to clear this out. I'm going to put in the 2 raised to the x plus 12. And then I'm going to clear this one out because the yellow, I can't see it. So I'm going to, let's go down to the blue. And then I'm going to put 15x plus 35. And then I'm going to graph it. Oh, I forgot. I got this thing. So let's just do, give that a second to graph. It's going to be bonkers. Oh, geez. So I'm going to do a window. So I'm going to go from 0 because I know it's at least 0 years. I would guess it'll happen before 10 years. Now, the y value is what I got to guess on. It's got to be a positive number. 150 plus 35. I'm going to guess that my y value, whoops, we're going to do 0. Can't be more than 200. Just guessing. So let's graph this and see what we get. And so if I were to guess, I'm going to hit trace. And it looks like it crosses at 7. 7 and 140. So that means that this would be, after 7 years, it would be equal to 140 birds based on this graph here. Okay, let me take a screenshot of that. And that's all we were trying to do was figure that out. So after 7 years, both species will have 140 birds. And the bell's going to ring any second. That's it.